Hey guys, Coach Castle here. Welcome to Castle's Corner. Today we're going to do another do-it-yourself project. Now this is going to be for personal trainers who want to take their clients outside. They don't have access to certain things. This will be for people who want a backyard gym. This will be for people who want a playground for their kids and they also want to exercise at the same time, dual purpose. It's very simple to make this. Here's what you're going to need for parts. 5 2x4s. You're going to need 2 sawhorse brackets, a 1-inch drill bit, another smaller drill bit the same size as 3 eye bolts you're going to need, some screws, 1-inch, 2-inch, 1.5 inch. You're going to need a 1-inch dowel rod. Of course, you're going to need a screw gun and a saw, and you'll need something else from one of my other videos. You'll need the perfect portable gym. Now, for those of you who don't know what this is just 2 collapsible buckets, 2 cables, 2 pulleys, 2 handles, and 2 Velcro straps. Now, if you have all of these things, you have a gym to train every single muscle on your body perfectly with the perfect resistance curve and the perfect resistance. Now this is because this frame is actually extremely strong and durable despite the fact that it's collapsible. It can actually hold up to 500 pounds. So I don't think any of you will be doing more than 500 pounds with any of the correct exercises. So anyways, let's go ahead and get into the build, everybody. Finished product. So you guys have already seen my other videos where I demonstrate how to use just a pull-up bar in your gym, how to use a tree branch, how to use a doorway pull-up bar, how to build a cable gym in your home. You guys get the idea. As long as you have a cable gym set up like this with a middle point attachment, 2 high point attachments, and a low point attachment, you can do all of the exercises very easily.
Passa, passa, desce, desce, passa, passa, desce, desce, passa, passa, desce, desce, passa.
And out spake brave Horatius, captain of the gate, to every man upon this earth death cometh soon or late, and how can man die better than facing fearful odds for the ashes of his fathers, the temples of his gods?